Welcome along guys to another unboxing with Inverted Rider.
Thought I'd just show you my tail tidy for my GSXR 1000R. It's the 2019 model, and let's have a little look, see what's inside. Standard packaging, don't want any of that gump. Thanks for shopping with us, lovely. Let's get all this out and see what we got. That's that gone. Well packaged. Shrink wrap around this bad boy. So this is the R&G Tail Tidy. Solid brackets, well substantial that is. Plenty of good mounting, good size for the plate and the light. Let's see what's in here. Move that to one side. Another bracket, I think that's the indicator bracket, looking at it, looks like it might be. Looks like that probably goes on the back of there maybe. Something like that, I would imagine. Quick look, see what else we get inside. Some shrink wrap, some little grommets, stickers. Everybody loves stickers. So we've got some connections for the indicators. Looks like they'll just plug straight into the stock indicator leads, which is good. No cutting, hopefully. Maybe tail light as well, because there's 3 of those. So new tail light there. LED, of course. There's some crimps and stuff in there, so maybe some wiring to do. Plenty of nuts and bolts. Reflector. We won't be needing that, I don't think. Plenty of shrink tubing, heat shrink tubing for electrics. Some foam double-sided sticky pads, not quite sure what they're going to be for. Zip ties, 2 little indicator grommets, and a massive wodge of instructions.
Thanks for watching folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe.